Welcome to 628 Edgefield Gate, located in Strathmore. This home features 4 bedrooms on the upper floor and 4 in the basement. It also comes with a double attached garage, and it also comes with air conditioning. This is a beautiful home. Go ahead and take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 628 Edgefield Gate, located in Strathmore. If you would like more information about this property, please do not hesitate to give me a call, 403-667-9869. You can also find it on my website at barbsellscalgary.com. Thank you so much.